the cat's away, the mouse will play. This coming weekend, Club Chocolate will be transformed into a total ladies' playground. It's cats everywhere. 2 big nights, non-stop events. Club Chocolate this Friday with the biggest after-work line: beers, scotch, rum, cocktails, and vodka at ridiculously low prices. Then we transform into the old school showdown with the nation's biggest old school DJs. And this Saturday, we dare you, the entire mouse crew, to take a chance and come up into the chocolate. The entire club will be full of cats. All styles, all fashion, all forms.
Hey, kitty, hey, hello, kitty, like, hey.
Come out early, all cats free, and they drink free all night long. Heading the team, get ready for yours truly. The evolution of vibe, I'm coming down. Bruce Wayne, Bass Kickers family, Rico, and Sid Simmer. All your favorite stars at Club Chocolate this Friday and Saturday. When the cats away, the mice will